Hello learners, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, in this video we are gonna see how to install a particular virtual machine or a VM and also how to install any OS. Okay, let's not waste our time. Let's dive into the topic. Before that, if you have any queries related to Python or any tech, you can click on this LinkedIn icon or even you can click on this Instagram icon where you will be personally redirected to my LinkedIn or even Instagram page where you can personally connect to me there and you can like message me if you have any queries related to this tech. And even I have created a Python basic to intermediate playlist. There are 26 videos as by the time you see this video 26th video will be also uploaded. So you can check out all these videos and you can learn Python easily. I have covered from basic to intermediate each and every topic and I have explained it very clearly. And the advanced videos also will be coming very soon, one after another. So let's not waste our time. Let's move into the installation procedure now. Open a new tab and search for VMware Pro Workstation. I have already searched for it. Now click on the first link and click on download. You can see here the VMware is available for both Linux and Windows. It is not available for Mac OS for now. You can click on download. So you can see here, use this link below and start your free fully functional 30 days trial. No registration required. So it is just for 30 days only. But I'll show you all a trick to get it completely for free. Don't worry. Click on download for Windows and then save. It will start to download now. As it completes the installation, for me it completes faster. Until it completes your installation, you can pause this video. Once the installation is done, follow step by step so that you might not miss somewhere. If you miss somewhere, again you have to follow the procedure. Okay, let's click on this now. It will ask for the permissions, I guess now. Yeah, it is asking for the permissions. Give the permissions from your Windows and it gets installed soon. Let's wait for it to pop out. Yeah. So here you can see the installation interface. Click on next. So if you want, you can read this license agreement. Usually many of them don't read. They directly accept the terms and conditions. Click on accept, next. And you can see here add a VMware console tool to the system path. This is by default in tick. Let it to be. Don't tick the above one. Okay. Because it will be rebooting out and it will be added a feature to your system. We don't require that advanced. So don't click that icon. Click on next. You can see here you can read out all this also. Click on next. Now it will create a shortcuts for desktop and start menu program. Let it to be there. Next. Click on install. It's simple, right? Next, 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 and install. Now it's installing. Let's wait for the installation to complete. So it is just taking a legacy. If you have observed this here, you can see that it is taking a legacy network. As I discussed in the previous video, in the theory part, VMware is a legacy-based application. So if you have not watched that video, go and do watch it out. It will be available in the description, also in the iCard session, that video link. So now you got it, you can directly finish if you just want for a 30 days trial, or if you want it for a lifetime, click on this licenses. So here, licenses, you have to enter the license. Where is the license? No worries. Now minimize that for a second. Open a new tab. Search for now VMware Pro licenses. As soon as you search this, you will get the VMware links at first. Leave it. You can see here customer purchase of one or more license is $119. Okay, I'll try to give you all for a free, don't worry. So at the third or at the fourth link, there will be a GitHub link. You can see here. Click on this GitHub link for VMware Workstation Pro licenses. As soon as you click on this, you will be redirected to that particular person GitHub page. Here you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5 licenses are available of VMware. No virus is available. It is fine. This in this all copy any one license. So these two are 100% working. It is already mentioned by the person itself. So let us copy the first one now and see. I'll directly copy this out, paste it here, click on enter. Finish. So you have got it for free. Now let us search for VMware Pro Workstation. So you can see here as soon as I search for it, it was available. So this is the VMware Workstation Pro interface. Here you can see a file option where you can start a new virtual machine, new window, scan for the viruses, scan for virtual machines, and connect to a server, map a virtual disk. If you have a virtual disk, you can map it out with this. And edit features are there. Edit, network editor, full screen mode, power mode, Debian based, or whatever many things are available in this. We'll explore it slowly. You can see here about VMware Workstation also is there, and software updates, registration workstation hints. You can check out all this. Even there is an online documentation. If you want to read the online documentation, you can check out that also. So this is used to run the virtual machine or power on, and even you can off it. I'll show you all in the next video in the configuration time. I mean in the connection time to a OS, any new OS. Okay. So here you can make it to full screen mode and many other features are there. So done, VMware Workstation is done. Now can you connect it to any Linux or Ubuntu based operating systems, Debian based operating systems? What will be your answer? Pause this video and comment it below. My answer will be no. Because you have just installed a VMware Workstation, but where is the instance to connect it? You should have an instance, right? Or a OS file to connect it, right? ISO file. So you have to now install an ISO file of that particular software. ISO file. ISO file is nothing but just a software. Either it is a Windows software or a Linux software. You have to install it. I personally like a Parrot OS, its interface and etc. So I'll click on Parrot OS. I'll search for Parrot OS. So if you, as soon as you open this Parrot OS security, you can see here an operating system for hackers and also a security specialist. I don't know, but I like this OS compared to other OSs. You can see here there is a download option. Click on download. As soon as you click on this download, it will start to download. So it's a disk file or ISO file. It is getting downloaded. 2.3 GB. Wait for it to get downloaded. Same way, even you can search for Ubuntu also. Ubuntu. If you search for Ubuntu now, you can see here accept. So Ubuntu is fine. Here you have to click on downloads. Now you will get the option called Ubuntu Server Desktop. You are downloading a desktop ISO or OS file, right? So click on a desktop and now download this Ubuntu file. Same way for even Fedora, Mint. There are many OSs. You can download any of them in Linux. Even you can download Kali Linux in a virtual machine. We'll see all that in the next coming up videos. So now the Parrot OS ISO file is installed. So that's all for today's video, and the configuration part and the ISO file installation is also done. And remember one thing, don't open this file directly. There is a chance of getting corrupted to your OS. Don't open it. Just download it and keep it. In the next video, I'll show you all how to connect it with the virtual machine. Okay friends, that's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel and on the bell notification to get the notification as soon as I release the video. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep learning.